Friends, today I'm going to give you a five secret of building a successful career. Many students have a sometime questions how to build a good career. So these five strategies, these five secret will help you to stay focused on your goal and how you will become a successful you will become you will get a good success in your career. Okay, so the first formal like a five secret, I'm just going to tell you just 5 point, and then we will discuss one by one in details. So the first is avoid distractions, then cultivate good habit, make a goal list, write daily journal and review it weekly basis. Okay, and fifth is build a good network. Okay, so let's one by one be discussing details about it. So first is avoid distractions. First of all, first questions should be arise in mind that what is the distractions. So distraction is something that disturbing you from your focus, or it is not it is disturbing your mind from a and you are unable to work, you are unable to put 100% of your mind into particular any task or any activities or anything you wanted to achieve or anything you wanted to do. Okay, so for example, what it should be, so it might be a mobile, it might be social media, or it might be any news channel or something like that. Okay, so the first thing is how we can avoid it. There is any way we can avoid it? Yes, definitely we can avoid it, because we have to first focus whether we are doing right or not, whether it is beneficial to us or not. And we can only it we can avoid it only by monitoring it. Okay, so you can do some meditation also, you can do some mind controlling activities, you can create some good thought process, why we should avoid it, and is it important, or is it giving me benefit? Like every 5 minute I'm checking the WhatsApp, every 5 minute I'm checking the Facebook Messenger, every 5 minute I'm checking the Insta messages, like that. So just ask a question whether it is important for me or not, if it is beneficial for me or not. If it is not, then we have to avoid it, we should avoid it. Okay, so the second thing is we should cultivate a good habits. Okay, now good habits are help us to achieve a good success. So what are the sometime what are the good habits we can say, any activities that help us to achieve our goal, that is called good habits. Okay, so it can be like you can read a daily journal, you can read a daily technical blog, or you can do a new learning every day, at least a 15-20 minute or 30 minutes. Okay, read a new book every month or week or a day, something like that. Okay, then watch a motivational video every day or weekly, and then summarize its point and implement in our day-to-day life. Okay, if you are watching the motivational video, it's not going to help you. You have to make some summarized takeaway. You have to take some takeaway and start implementing in our routine life. That will only help you to change your habits. Okay, and cultivate a new habits. Okay, the the third point is I suggest to make a goal list. Goal list is a very important point. Why? Because without a goal, all of your efforts are without a direction, so it will be useless. So if you are putting 8 hours of work, or 10 hours of work, or 12 hours of work, but you don't have a certain amount, list of the goal, then all your efforts are directionless, and at the end of the week, month, year, you won't able to achieve anything. Okay, so how we can make a goal? Like sometimes people are confused, how to make a goal. Just simply, you can just make a note that what I wanted to achieve next 5 year, 1 year, 6 month, next 3 month, and in current month or in a current week. So that way you will have a list of the goal, long term and short term also. Okay, so what happens, how we should make a goal. The first thing we should keep in mind that goal should be realistic. There is a big topic about the how to make a goal and how we can achieve it, we will cover in next upcoming session. But the first thing you need to make is you need to make a realistic goal list that you are able to achieve in a week, in a month, in a 6 month, or in a 1 year. If you have a goal list, then all of like whatever activity you will do, that will be relevant to your goal, and that's why you will able to achieve your goal. Okay. Next is write a daily journal. Every end of the day, just write a short note about in a journal. Okay, and track the activities that you are doing for that particular day. Okay, if you start tracking this activity, it will help you to identify like what we are doing, like and like not it is not useful if you just write the activity list of activity in a journal, but you have to review it weekly basis. At least you need to spend 15 to 30 minutes to review your activity of the last week. Okay, and then just do some analysis from the activity, like it will help you to get idea you are working on toward your goal or not. Okay, and just review, find out the activities, which are the activities we should eliminate, and which are the activities that we should supposed to do it but we are not doing it, that help us to achieve our goal. Okay, and then just make some list of the notes and work out on it. Okay, the last point is build a good network is very important for getting success. like some of the one of the book from one of the book I read that we are the average of five people we spend the most time with. Okay, so that's why the building a good network is very important. Okay, and if you have a good network, then you will have a good thoughts and you will have a good activities, you will have a good habit. Automatically your like a success will be become easy. Okay, so these are the five things that I implemented in my life and I get some success, and that's why I thought let me share with other people so other people can also get a success. Okay, so at last, thank you very much, and feel free if you have any query or concern, reach out to me this email ID. Okay, thank you.